Welcome to the Soul Tribe and to this morning guided meditation. We hope you have had a restful night's sleep and are looking forward to the day ahead. This practice should help set you up for a positive and empowered day, so you can go forward with gratitude and intent. Take a few moments to find a comfortable position, allowing the chair or cushion beneath you to fully support you. Sit up tall, your hands cupped in your lap or resting gently on your knees. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Let's start by focusing on the breath. Deep inhales and exhales. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. Slow and steady, softening any tension, getting ready to begin your day. Keep this focus on your breath, dropping any thoughts of dreams, to-do lists, or what's coming up for you today. Just feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen as you breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Soften your face and your neck and your shoulders, releasing any worries or concerns. Let this softening move to your back, chest, and removing any tension. Notice how your arms feel and your legs. Ground down into the earth through your feet. Noticing how they feel against the floor, rooting you in this moment and keeping you grounded throughout the day. Breathing deep, letting light in. And if your mind has wandered and thoughts have crept in, don't worry. After all, that's what our minds are designed to do. Let this be a gentle reminder to bring you back to your breath. Focus on the in-breath and the out-breath. Focus on the slight pause between each breath, embracing this space. This morning is a fresh start. A new day for new ideas. You may achieve what you set out to, or you may approach this day with ease. Be kind to yourself about whatever this day may bring. You are in control of your thoughts. Remember that you are not your thoughts. We are simply the observer, and we can choose to accept or reject them, letting them pass by, or invest in those thoughts that make us feel brighter and stronger. Be thankful for this morning, and be thankful for this moment and for what is to come. As the morning sun rises, feel its rays infusing you with bright, radiant energy. As you continue to inhale and exhale, feel this light spreading through you, gently waking your entire body, preparing you for this fruitful day. Notice any sensations you may feel throughout your body as you visualize the sun's energy waking you and uplifting you. Breathe in deeply, sending oxygen to your head so you can focus throughout your day. Breathe in and send oxygen to your chest and shoulders, allowing you to stand tall with confidence. Breathe in deeply, sending oxygen to your back. Allow those muscles to awaken and support you. Inhale this oxygen to your abdomen. Breathe in this energy to your legs that will power you through this day. Visualize this energy charging you, powering you up for this beautiful day ahead. Take this golden energy into your heart space in gratitude for this new beginning. Remain here, feeling this golden energy radiating from your heart, preparing you for a day full of abundance and peace. Now gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, taking a moment to become aware of your surroundings, bringing yourself back to the room. Continue breathing deeply and intentionally before opening your eyes. Thank yourself for taking this time to ease yourself in. Acknowledge the light in you that will guide you from this morning all the way through to the end of the day. Be kind to yourself and come back to this practice whenever you want to start your day with positivity. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and we look forward to welcoming you back to the Soul Tribe soon.